Masquerade Imre Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakari Tanka Kukapanino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kanachungwa subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe Tavigrania, but it's one PF spokesperson, Ambassador Christopher Mutsvangwa Avhura Avhura Hombe, but there is an PF facilitator who released over 100 political prisoners anga akasungwa towards and during the 44th Ordinary Summit of the Southern African Development Community. Hanzi nekuda kuti the meeting yapera vakwanisa kubuditswa mujeri. Avhura achitaura izvi during a press conference yabuda achitaura ivo vachiti political prisoners are going to be released soon muri Zimbabwe. Ngaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi vabuda Christopher Mutsvangwa vachitaura vachiti who now reward their failure to protest with freedom. Now that SADC is over, we will liaise and appeal to the Minister of Home Affairs, Comrade Kazembe, and our justice delivery architecture to restore their freedoms through imminent release. And we guarantee them freedom since their planned protest in the presence of foreigners have flopped. They wanted to steal the main show through the lenses of cameras from the media fraternity, and we really appreciate the efforts made so far to silence them. And meanwhile, we really appreciate the tireless efforts by our law enforcement agencies in bringing law and order into realization. Those Wagabuda, Mashtawa Christopher Mutsvangwa, Trukwita, over 100 activists, the Citizens Coalition politician, Jameson Timber, vakasungwa vane nguva vari mujeri muri Zimbabwe vakapiwa mhosva disorderly conduct nenyaya zvakare participate in an unlawful gathering. Kutaura kwatiri kuita the state yakataura iyo ichiti musi wa16 June this year at around 2 p.m. police receive information kuti papane in a unsanctioned gathering kumba kwa Jameson Timber at number 6 Downy Road in Strathaven, Harare. So kutaura kunoku zvakamira mushe vari mukati. So Christopher Mutsvangwa Avhura achitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi. Toda kuti munonzwa achitaura mabadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Show the cameras, your cameras, they move away from the event. It's the new parliament buildings in Mount Hamilton. Show this majestic building in the world and the graceful heads of states being made anxious about their presence in Zimbabwe because of tumultuous crowds organized by TV and Zimbabweans. No, we couldn't allow that. It was not allowed. And I'm very happy that the security sector lived up to its bill. We are talking of general people working in disorder. People who never want to see their country casting a good light. If you don't want no country casting a good light, so uchaona never in the chini. People show a check zvikunokwana yako ukaenda kumadoro nevanhu vanotamba nevanhu amai vangu havaiti baba vangu havaiti iye vanine vangu havaiti chii ichocho ikwanu uchaanofanirawo. This was a show for Zimbabweans in the sub-region. Even if you are the opposition, musiwoyo unomboitawo munhu kwayo umboyazoitowa, but no, they just work for the interests of those who never want to see Africa in good light. So with deviants, those are deviants, and they were dealt with properly. And they failed, and we are very happy that they failed, and they will never succeed again. This was their last misbehavior. They will never get another chance again. Because now they know what happens when they try to behave in a certain manner. And I'm sure there will be a good reason to free them up soon afterwards, because there's no sure what they wanted to steal is wrong. There is absolutely no reason to keep them at the state's expense in jail after failing. No, we reward their failure by giving them their freedom. But there is nothing to disturb anymore. Any other person?
nofunga mangozvinzira mega reZimbabwe vaChristopher Mutsvangwa vachitaura pamusoro vasungwa veopposition kutaura kwatiri kuita ZRP havasi kumira kusunga maopposition leaders. Recently the former Citizens Coalition for Change MP for Binga North Prince Dubeko Sibanda vari kunzi vari mujeri rinomira mushe nyaya yabudirwa neZim Live vachitaura vachiti former Citizens Coalition for Change CCC MP for Binga North Prince Dubeko Sibanda who spent the entire week behind bars following his arrest by detectives on Saturday, charged with violence incitement. The politician was arrested at the Beitbridge border post, accused of inciting the public to stage protests against the ZANU-PF-led government ahead of the SADC summit just held 17 to 18 August. Because of his actions, prosecutors alleged that there were protests along Highland Road in Harare, where people bent tires and barricaded the road on Friday. Sibanda appeared before the Harare magistrate Muriwanazo Kofa, who remanded him in custody. Bail ruling has been set for this upcoming Friday. He is represented by a prominent human rights lawyer, Alec Muchadehama, while the state is represented by Anesu Chirenje. Parties are expected to file their written submissions between this Monday and Thursday before bail ruling is handed down. It is the state's case that between August 1 and August 16, 2024, Sibanda posted on CCC WhatsApp groups and his ex-Yendo inciting opposition members to engage in violent activities by barricading roads and burning shops and tires. Chirenje said the accused posted that unless the SADC creates a platform where the heads of state will engage Zimbabweans on the SADC election observer mission report and other issues, we will create a platform to meet with them on the streets of Harare. No intimidation will stop us. Let us shut down Harare in August. Let's barricade the streets in Harare. Let's burn tires and use old cars. Chirenje said some of the messages were captured and screenshots of these will be used against Sibanda. It is alleged that as a result of these messages, Highland Road was barricaded and tires were burnt along the road at Mukonono River Bridge, Marimba, thereby disrupting the free movement of persons and traffic using that road on 16 August at around 4:30 a.m. Sibanda joined a growing list of opposition politicians and human rights defenders who have both been arrested and harassed as Emerson Mnangagwa-led government pulls all stops to starve off citizens' protest against continued poor fraud, economic ruin, and unbridled corruption by the elite. Those are Kabuda Chitauro. Muri Zimbabwe neZim Live atambarambira mushe tingazive kuti vanoibuda here kana kuti nyaya itudziwo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.